Today, we're going to go over how to update your AirClick to the newest firmware. Modules and expansion board. Find AirClick and firmware update. Full bin is a full firmware, which needs to be burned from the 0x0 address, and all configurations will not be retained after burning. Delta bin is an incremental firmware, which needs to be burned from the 0x10,000 address, only updates the firmware, does not affect the existing configuration. WBin is the UI firmware, which needs to be burned from the 0x290,000 address, only updates the web front-end UI, does not affect the existing firmware and configuration. Since this is our first time setting it up, let's fresh full firmware. Look for the file that ends with full bin. Click on the third option in the list. Click and slide it over. Once that's done, click the download button. The firmware is ready. Back to the docs website. Make sure the AirClick is powered off first. Then, open the ESP32 programming, connect it to your computer while holding the boot button. Grab your cable and connect it to your computer. Hold boot button and plug in the cable. Click to download file. Click to copy the Google NetDisk link. Then click to download the zip package. After the download is complete, we will open the downloaded folder and extract the file. After extraction is complete, open the blue icon. We return to the tutorial document website. Modify the settings to match the image provided in the tutorial. Select the first option, ESP30 to C3. Change the third option to USB. Let's start flashing that firmware. Select the firmware you have downloaded. Enter the flashing address for the firmware, use 0x0. Select the latest device from the COM port list. Each computer has different COM ports. In my case, it's COM 10. Baud is 921,600. Click Start to begin the flashing. Now pull out the Type-C cable and plug it back, and we're about to start configuration. This is all about AirClick flashing tutorial.